Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm London Janae and I'm excited to see you guys per usual. If you want to see how I got this little sexy date night hair, stay tuned because I'm going to be showing you just how to do it. If you're excited like I am, give this video a thumbs up. Comment and let me know what you want to see next. Also, comment down below and let me know whether you like this video or not, which I'm sure you will. And subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my face and if you want to interact with me more. Alrighty, let's get into the video. Okay, so we're going to start off by using Kendra's Daily Defense Oil. We're going to distribute that throughout our entire head, simply because we want it to be moisturized. We don't want to just go in with heat. Although I've already used a heat protectant, we're gonna just use that to moisturize our hair. Yes, it's not mine, but you still want to have it moisturized. So right now I'm splitting my head into 4 sections just to make it easier for when I begin to curl. So starting with my first section, I parted it off into one subsection, and I'm using my Conair. I believe this is 1 inch barrel to curl my hair. I'm curling it away from my face because I want like a feathered look on top, and because my curling wand is smaller than this curler, I just like to use this one because I feel that it frames my face a little bit more than the other one does. Right now I'm pin curling the 2 curls I made in this section because I want them to set as I'm curling the rest of my head. I highly recommend this part because if you leave it down, your curls will fall a little bit too early, and you just want to give it a little time to cool off. Moving on to the back section, I am splitting that section again into subsections, and I'm going to take my curling wand. It is a Hot Tools curling wand. I believe this is a 1/2 inch. I'm not sure. I hope it's a 1/2 inch, but either way go, it's smaller than the curls that are on top of at the front of my head. And oops, yeah, I dropped it. A lot of times this will happen when you're using a curling wand. You start to curl and then you'll lose your grip and it'll fall. Notice that when I am wrapping the hair around the wand, I'm not letting it go. So I'm literally continuing that same motion, curling it around and around and around the wand, so it'll have more of a wave rather than the traditional barrel curl. And you want to make sure if you're grabbing larger sections, well, larger subsections, that when you wrap it, you're holding the curl on the wand a little bit longer. And I'll just use my fingers to tap the hair to see how hot it is. When I feel that the hair is heating up, I'll just take it off immediately. I don't let it sit on there any longer. Once I feel that the heat is has evenly distributed throughout the whole strand, I'll just unravel it and take it off. Okay, normally I would use some of the Kendra Daily Defense Oil again while separating my curls, but obviously I was feeling myself so much that I forgot to. So basically right here, all I'm doing is taking each individual curl and just separating them, so it'll have a little bit more of a fuller look and not so clumped together. Yes, now the best part, actually the last part. I'm going to use this Murray's Edge Wax to lay down my edges. The double-sided brush that I am using is from Sally's Beauty Supply. I really like this brush simply because one side I can comb down my edges and then the other side I'm able to smoothen them out. You guys do not want to skip this step either. It just makes the looks more polished, in my opinion. It really makes your look more flawless and more polished. So yeah, don't skip this step and take your time when you're doing it as well, because you want your edges to look popping. Also, everything that I'm using will be linked in the description box down below, so take a look if you have any questions. As you can see, I am all done. I hope you guys found this video useful, whether it's for date night, hangout night, turn up night, or whatever night. Let me know in the comment section what was your favorite part and what was new that you learned from watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe.